Today, I'll show you how to learn Hot Cross Buns on guitar. Let's jump straight in. I'm going to play it for you first. Remember to listen carefully, and then I'll teach it to you. You can rewatch, pause the video as much as you'd like. If this tutorial is helping you, consider giving us a like and subscribe to the channel. You are helping support future videos just like this and helping to build a community of people just like you. Today, I'm going to be using a guitar pick, but it's also okay to use your thumb. And just remember, when we push the string down, we use the fingertip. Just play along with me. Let's take a quick break. I want to share 3 ways people mess up when learning guitar. 1. Some people only practice the song once. It's going to take many run-throughs before you get at it. 2. Some people give up too easily. We can be a hot mess on our first attempts at trying something new, so stick at it. 3. Some people aren't consistent in their practice, because we know consistency leads to confidence. Where you are most consistent in your life, you are most confident. I want to recognize and appreciate you for taking the time out of your day to learn guitar and be in education. That tells me a lot about you. It's moving you one step closer to becoming that Disney star. And I hope I get to hear you play guitar one day. Remember, believe in yourself as much as I believe in you.